This literature kit on Where the Red Fern Grows by Wilson Rawls will engage students so they have no trouble getting started. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Describe what you already know of the setting in which this novel takes place. Complete a plot puzzle to show how events led to each other. Characterize the simple trick a raccoon used to fool the two hounds. Explain what the ghost raccoon is. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as translating idioms found in the novel into your own words. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compare the argument of love versus loyalty in a dog's behavior. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.